Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm here to talk about an incredible nutritional supplement that is making a difference to many people's lives. Benefits for health and fitness lovers. For health and fitness enthusiasts, AMYL Guard is the perfect partner. Its composition includes essential nutrients that can support your immune system, provide energy, and aid muscle recovery after exercise. Helps with healthy weight loss. If you're looking for healthy and sustainable weight loss, AMYL Guard could be your valuable ally. As well as promoting satiety, it contains ingredients that can help speed up the metabolism, making it easier to achieve your weight loss goals. Believe it or not, beauty starts from the inside out. With powerful antioxidants, this supplement can help fight free radical damage and promote healthy, radiant skin. If you lead a busy lifestyle and can't always consume all the vitamins and minerals you need, AMYL Guard offers a convenient solution. It provides a concentrated dose of essential nutrients to support your overall health, even on the busiest of days. Support for heart health. A healthy heart is essential for a fulfilling life. This supplement contains ingredients that can support cardiovascular health, such as omega-3 and coenzyme Q10, helping to keep your heart in good working order. Strengthening the immune system. In times of health concerns, having a strong immune system is essential. AMYL Guard contains vitamins and minerals that can help strengthen your natural defenses. This supplement is suitable for people of all ages. Whether you're an active young adult, a busy parent, or a senior looking for renewed vitality, AMYL Guard can adapt to your specific needs. Aging with health and vitality is a desire of many. This supplement can help support your well-being over the years, allowing you to make the most of life at every stage. Regardless of who you are and what you're looking for in life, AMYL Guard is a smart choice for promoting health and well-being. Its comprehensive formula meets a variety of needs, allowing you to live a healthier and more balanced life. Try it today and discover how AMYL Guard can be the perfect complement to your lifestyle. Just click on the link in the video description to buy yours. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Take care of your health and well-being with AMYL Guard. See you next time.